In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made direct heat charcoal grilled chicken thighs coated in a decadent Asian-inspired peanut sauce. It is delicious. Here we go. What you have before you are some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I'm going to dry this skin off a little bit. Step number one, you got to clean up some of these scraggly edges. So what we're wanting to do on this is get some really crispy skin, bite through skin. I'm going to share with you a tip that I was shown several years ago by a competition barbecue cook. Take your knife and you're going to scrape the inside of the skin. Do not remove the skin from the chicken. But basically, you're scraping off some of the excess fat underneath the skin here, which is going to help crisp up the skin in the finished product. Next, we're going to do a dry brine. I'm using the Fiesta brand Seasame Oil. It's kind of like a Lowry's seasoned salt. So I'm going to hit the meat, hit the inside of the skin. We're going to pull this skin back over. I'm going to dry this off one last time, and then we're going to hit it with some more salt on the top. All trimmed up, all seasoned up. Going to hang out in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. If you're up to it, you can do this up to 24 hours in advance. I'm just going to try to dry this skin out and get a little seasoning into this meat. Next up, peanut sauce. To begin, peanut butter. This is an all-natural peanut butter, so it's not going to be as sweet as the stuff you would normally make a sandwich with. Next, Hoisin Sauce. And if you're wondering about measurements, don't worry, I will have the recipe down in the description. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Next up, honey. I'm using a hot honey here. You don't have to use a hot honey if you don't want to. Some onion. I'm using dehydrated onion. You can use freshly chopped onion if you choose, but this will rehydrate in the sauce because I'm doing this ahead of time. This is totally optional. I'm throwing in a little bit of cayenne pepper. Last but not least, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Gonna whisk this together. Gonna add in a little bit of water just to get the right consistency. Give it a taste. You can adjust the level of saltiness or sweetness based upon what you are looking for. And 4 hours later, here we have the skin is a little drier. So right before we take them out to we have one more step before we take them out to the pit. Gonna hit it with a little bit of grapeseed oil. You can use the oil you choose. The purpose of this is so that we can hit it with some pepper and it will stick. Meat is seasoned. Let's head out to the pit. I'm working on my Weber Smoky Mountain here. This is direct heat, so it's just charcoal. I've removed all the water pan and everything else. So it's just working as an elevated cooker at this point. We're about 2 to 2.5 feet above the charcoal. I'm running about 325 to 350. So we're gonna put these on. Just wanna get some color on the bottom. When we get up to about 135 internal, I'm gonna flip them over and crisp up this skin. And then we'll glaze them to finish them off. It's gonna be tasty. All right, we're just over an hour in. Let's check this temperature. Hitting about 180, 182. Yep, gonna go ahead and glaze these. Going right back on, gonna go skin side up. All right, they are glazed up. We are going to leave them on here until we hit about 195 to 200 internal, and then we're gonna take them off. And we are done. Total cook time was 1 hour and 35 minutes. So that's pretty good in my world. I'm gonna drizzle on just a little bit more of the sauce. Gonna hit it with some sesame seeds. And just a little bit of green onion. Here we go. I'm getting the charcoal flavor. There's a touch of heat on the back end of this. And this is really good. Really, really good. I like using the thighs because they're a little more forgiving. You can take them up to a higher temperature. If you're using white meat, I would highly recommend you don't go any higher than 160 degrees. I've done this with chicken legs. I've done it with chicken breast, and chicken thighs is my favorite way to go. So definitely want to give this a try. It is super delicious. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a comment, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps that algorithm pick me up, put me out to more people. And with that being said, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.